Hey guys, Reaver here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showcasing the Amazon Alexa. So, Alexa, what can you do?
There is a lot I can do. You can ask me things like, play something chill, play pop music, or sing a love song. Do you
Okay.
want to hear some more?
Nah, it's fine.
Oh.
So if you say, Alexa, give me an applause, she will actually give some applause. Yeah, that's me, yeah. Thank you for appreciating me. Okay, now we're gonna try playing a song in Alexa. So, okay, Alexa, stop. So that's how Alexa will like play music. Like if we tell her to play music,
Here's a
she will
station you
play.
might like, 90s
And
Bollywood, on
now
Amazon Music.
let's talk about the buttons. So guys, now let's talk about the buttons. And so this button is used to mute Alexa. And like whenever I say now, like when I'm saying Alexa, she'll like, let me give you an example. Alexa does a lot of things. Like when I said that, it just was
Sorry, I don't
working,
know that.
and that's sometimes really annoying for people like me. So wait, why is it out of focus? Fine. Now this button is used like if you're lazy to say Alexa, you just press it and tell her to play any music or play a game or
Sorry,
do
I
anything.
didn't catch that.
So now you can also increase or decrease the volume by pressing this or this. So you can do it in both ways. Now let me show you an example. You can also do it in this way. Alexa, put volume to 0. Okay. So now as you can see, she decreased it. Now it's still here. Before it was like the whole circle. Now let's try it again. Alexa, put volume to 10. And 10 is full. So you guys can do it in two ways. Either by pressing the buttons, or if you're lazy, by clicking on it. I mean, lazy people do it in both the ways, honestly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of Alexa with me, and I hope you guys have a great time and see you in the next one. Goodbye.